Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at Menards, here in Rice Lake, Wisconsin. Oh look, we have the Schumacher. The elevator had the ThyssenKrupp replacement button. Nice. Yes, we're going up. 2. Let's see how bad this thing is. Schumacher. Ow. These buttons are sticky. I feel like these buttons are sticky. Here we go. Wow. It just feels weird. It's a nice cab, although this elevator could be maintained better. I feel like these parts are sticky. Anyway, there's the indicator. Capacity 4,500. Schumacher. I feel like these buttons are sticky. But it has a fast door, so I'll give that. But yeah, look at this. They already replaced this button. I don't know why, but I guess ThyssenKrupp maintains this elevator. And there goes the elevator without an elevator sign. And I guess that is going to be it for me.